identified. Troops up in lane 1, 12 o'clock, 300 meters, engage.
Fire! Hey! Getting it. Fire! Rascal 302. Rascal.
Up and right still.
To the right. Yep. Ready.
Transfer to the vehicle!
Engage that vehicle. Frog out. Frog out. All right, Grimoni.
How about the grenade then?
Right side bound. Right side bound forward. Hurry up, get that saw up.
One of the great things about training here at PTA is, number one, they've got great range complexes that really allow us to focus on our individual, team, squad, and platoon, as well as company level collective training. We can employ all our weapon systems here, which is great for us to do, so we can actually train and certify leaders on the employment of those weapons. The terrain here, in many regards, is quite similar to the terrain that we'll see in some areas of Afghanistan. And one of the unique things about it, it's also at some of the same altitudes. So right now we're a little bit above 6,000 feet. So the soldiers are learning what it's like to operate in full kit and fighting load at altitude, and it really drives home the importance of one of our core principles, and that's physical fitness and the warrior athlete.